Okay, good morning. In the previous class, we have seen the manual part programming and APT programming, and we have seen the comparison, a basic comparison between the advantages of the manual programming and APT programming. So, in manual programming, or basically, what is the difference between a manual part programming and a APT part programming? So, in manual part programming, what we do is we just create a code, a program code using certain language, that is G code, M code, etc. And what we do is we just create the program and transfer it into a punched tape. So into a punched tape in a hard format. Then this will be moved to the MCU or the machine control unit. That way the machining is done. While coming to APT programming, there we have used English-like languages. We have seen 4 types of statements: geometry statements, motion statements, etc. Auxiliary and post-processor. So these all comes under APT language, where you can see it is very user-friendly. Now we will see the basic difference between NC machine and CNC machine. So that is asked for some exams. So let's see the difference. NC machine and CNC. So first of all, NC. What is NC is nothing but numerical control. And CNC is computer numerical control. That means both are numerical controls, but in CNC we are using the aid of a computer. In terms of you are using computer, we are creating the programs. Now, in the second case, is the first one. Second one. Here, the machine is controlled by some set of instructions. You have seen in the programs. In any program, there is a set of instructions, sequential instructions, which is mainly in the form of number, letter, symbol, etc. Okay, so these are the set of program. So here, machine is controlled by a set of program. Here also a program is used, prepared program is used, but the thing is the program is in alphanumeric data, or it is fed into the computer. Now, in the NC machine, we are using the punch cards, right? The program, whatever program we are creating, it is transferred into a punch card. So the programs are fed into punch card. punch card. Here it is directly given to the machine using certain keyboards. Keyboards as the keyboard seen in a computer. The CNC machine is also having a keyboard, particular keyboard. So directly we are entering into the machine. Okay. Now, next. Here, if there is any modification required, say if the tool path has to be changed or the machining dimensions has to be changed, create an object which is larger or it is having another shape, we have to modify the shape. So in that case, the program also should be changed. So while you are creating a program for, in the case of NC machine, what we do is we are creating a punch card. So already a punch card is developed. So if we have to modify it, means we have to edit that. So editing in the punch card is little bit difficult. But in the case of CNC machine, what we do is we are just creating a soft copy. So we can easily modify it. So that's the point. Here, modification is difficult. Modification is difficult. So here, modification easy. Next, in case of NC machine, so let's automation is there. So we need high skilled labor. So the skill is really important in the case of NC machine. So high skilled required. And here comparatively less skill. Next, regarding the cost for NC machine, there is less cost associated with the NC machine. But coming to CNC machine, this is more complex, and as we have many advantages, ultimately the cost also will be high. High cost. Next, regarding the maintenance cost. So this NC machine, we have already seen, this is not that much complex machine compared to CNC. Compared to CNC, this is not much complex. So comparing to the cost of the CNC machine, the cost of NC machine is less. And regarding maintenance, if the system is simple, means maintenance will also be simple. There will be small number of parts or components in the NC machine. So due to that, the maintenance cost, regarding the maintenance cost also will be less. That is the cost required to maintain the product or the machine in order to prevent the failure. Okay. So here in the regarding the CNC, here the maintenance cost will be high. Next, the programs. So here in the case of NC program, once we create a program, it can be converted into punch cards that is to be fed. But it cannot be stored in the machine. Like we store images, photos, images, videos, etc. in our mobile phones or our laptops. There is no facility, no facility to store this data in the machine. Only in the form of punch cards only we can save the program. But in case of, so coming to CNC machine, these programs, once we type into the keyboard, using the keyboard, you can, you have the provision to save it in some folder or some database, in the database of the, what you call the machine, CNC machine. So you have the provision to save the program or the store the program, and you can call it again and again. Modify, whether you can modify it, anything. So once you create a program in CNC machine, you can easily store it. So you can use it at any point of time. That's the next point. That is regarding NC machine, the programs cannot be stored. Programs cannot be stored. In the case of CNC machine, programs can be stored. Okay. So next, here in case of NC machine, we have already seen there is a difficulty in modification. So once it is created, we are feeding it into punched tape. So in the punched tape, for editing or modifying, it is not possible. It is very difficult. So we have to create again. So there you can see the flexibility is very low. Flexibility means we can modify the, suppose we are creating a product in an industry. You have to produce one car or any part, say a bolt, nut or bolt, anything. It is having certain dimensions, say 25 mm dia. Suppose you are producing it for 1 year, and after 1 year, you need to change the dimension. Change the dimension means the total program should be changed. The tool movements should be changed. Everything should be changed. So if you have to, if there is a provision to change it in a easy manner, then we can call it as, it will be flexible, much more flexible. So in the case of NC machines, the flexibility is very low. But in case of CNC machine, we can see that is the flexibility is very high. That means we can easily modify the, or we can incorporate any modifications. The modifications are totally possible in the case of CNC machine. So that is the next point, that is flexibility. Regarding the flexibility, here not flexible And regarding the CNC machine, this is highly flexible. Highly flexible. Oh, flexible. Now, regarding the accuracy, which will be having high accuracy. Yes, really? CNC, yeah. CNC will be having accuracy, highly accuracy compared to NC. So, less accurate will be highly accurate. Now, regarding the time of execution of a job, that means suppose you have to machine a product A or B, anything, whether it is a bucket or cup, anything. Suppose you want to prepare one or machine a product, then it requires a particular time. So while using NC machine, it requires more time. But in case of CNC, there is more technical advanced machine and it takes only less time. So regarding the time of execution, time of execution. Job is high, and here time of execution. Is less. Okay. And then one more regarding the usage. That means for CNC, you can use it continuously. 24 hours you can use it. On full day you can use. Even after that also you can continuously use. But for NC, it should not be used continuously. It cannot be used continuously. So that is the last thing. So not possible to run continuously. Here it can run continuously. 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 So these are the basic comparison you can see between a CNC and an NC machine. So NC machine, what is the NC machine is numerical control machine. And CNC means computer numerical control. That means the numerical control which is done with the aid of a computer. So here regarding the programs, in the NC machine, the program just a set of programs in terms of number, letter, symbols, etc. And this is fed to a punch card. While in the case of a CNC machine, it is directly entered using the keyboard available in the machine itself. Or you can use certain softwares. Using the modeling softwares, you can develop the program, and that can be incorporated into the CNC machine. That's another advantage. So using that those programs, AutoCAD drawings, etc., you can generate the codes and can be fed into the machine. Next, regarding the modification in NC machine, the program modification is very difficult, but using CNC machine, you can modify at any time the various programs. And regarding the skill of the labor, for NC machine, you need a high skilled labor, because many things you have to do using your own skill. There is no part of the computer. But regarding the NC machine, you need only less skill. And regarding the costs and maintenance cost, etc., it will be high for the CNC machine, as there is many technical advancements or incorporations. Many things are available for the CNC machine. So ultimately, the cost will be high, whether it is that installation cost or initial cost, maintenance cost, repair cost, everything will be high for CNC machine. But for NC machine, comparatively will be less. And in the case of storing, the programs can be stored. Once created, it can be stored for a CNC machine. There is a database, you can save the programs in the database, while it cannot be stored in a NC machine. Now regarding the flexibility, this NC machine, it is not that much flexible, but coming to CNC, that will be more flexible or very much flexible, that the programs, anything can be changed. Now regarding the accuracy, CNC will be more accurate than NC machine. Then regarding the time of execution will be less for CNC than NC machine. And finally, regarding the continuously running, it can be used for continuous run in the case of CNC, while for NC machine it cannot be run continuously. So these were the basic differences for NC and CNC. Now, some advantage, we can see some advantages and disadvantages of NC. Advantages of NC. Okay. First one, reduced non-production time. Reduced non-production time. So this is in comparison with the normal production without any programming. We are just doing the machining operation, like we have already done in our labs, without any numerical control. And without any control, we are just as a labor, we are directly using our manual input to machine something. Compared to that, while using NC or CNC, anything, we are able to reduce the non-productive time. Non-productive time, that means that setup time or workpiece handling, tool changing time. These all can be changed. So suppose we are doing by our own hand, then we have to change the tool. So you have to use our skills. We have to take it, everything. So everything will take some time. But while automating, what happens is we can reduce this non-productive time. See, these time, we say that these are all non-productive time. So these timings, which is spent for that is setup or tool changing, etc. This is not required for the production process. So that's why we are calling it as non-production time or non-productive time. So this non-productive time can be reduced in the case of NC. Then next advantage is reduced fixturing. Reduced fixturing. That means here in any NC, this requires only a simple fixtures. We need only some simple fixtures. We have already seen fixtures, jigs and fixtures and all, in order to fix a job. In order to mainly to position the tool to the particular point, we are using jigs and fixtures. But in the case of NC, numerical control, we are using the programs, various programs, so that we can easily locate the tools or position the tools. So the fixturing is not that much required. So there is a reduced fixturing. Then reduced lead time. Reduced lead time. That we have already seen. That the time of execution of the job only small with respect to either it is CNC or NC. Compared to our traditional operation, the lead time will be reduced. We need only less time to finish the job. Next, regarding the flexibility, greater flexibility, greater manufacturing flexibility. Compared to the traditional machining operation or manufacturing operation, while using NC machines, we will get the more flexible or greater flexibility that you can modify the procedure or anything, manufacturing techniques, we can modify. Now, engineering design changes can be easily accommodated. So you here you can easily incorporate the design changes. What are design changes are there? If there is any design changes, it can be incorporated easily. And finally, we see that regarding the human errors and accuracy, highly accurate. It will be highly, highly accurate and less human errors. So there is a only less chance of human errors. Or everything will be controlled by the programs. Okay, so these are the main advantages of NC machines. And similarly, we will have some disadvantages also. So the disadvantages. The disadvantages. First one is regarding the machine cost. Machine cost. Machine cost will be high. Next, programming. You should have a good training for the programmer. So the programmer, everything is in the hand of the programmer. So there should be appropriate training for the programmer. Now regarding the cost, maintenance cost, this should have or will be having high maintenance cost. And finally, regarding the skilled workers, regarding the programming and all, and you don't have any other skills required, but regarding the usage of the machine, you should have a high skill for using the various programs or various options available in the machine. You should have some skill, that is high skilled workers. For using the machine. So these are the main disadvantages. So we have seen the various advantages and also disadvantages of NC. So I think that time is over.